Hey, are you worried about buying a home? Then you need to watch this. If you're feeling uncertain about buying a home, you're not alone, but you're in the right place. I'm Jennifer Reinbolt, and I help my clients avoid some common homebuyer regrets. Here are some common homebuyer regrets based on the industry insights and buyer experiences, and some that I've seen. Number 1, buying too much house. Stretching that budget too far and struggling with high mortgage payments. Number 2, skipping the inspection, overlooking potential issues that can lead to costly repairs later. Number 3, not shopping around for a mortgage, settling for that higher interest rate instead of comparing lenders. Number 4, ignoring hidden costs, underestimating those expenses like property taxes or HOA fees, maintenance, and insurance. Number 5, compromising too much on location, choosing a home that's too far from work, family, or good schools. Number 6, not thinking long term, buying a home that doesn't fit future needs like growing a family or resale potential. Number 7, rushing the decision, feeling pressured to buy quickly in a competitive market and regretting the choice later. Number 8, underestimating renovation costs, buying a fixer-upper and realizing the updates are more expensive than expected. Number 9, skipping a resale evaluation, not considering the home's future resale value or potential appreciation. Number 10, waiving contingencies, giving up appraisal or financing contingencies to win a bid, leading to financial risk. These are all pitfalls that I help my clients avoid. Let me know if you need guidance, and I'm here for you. Have a great day.